straight. Did you see?
Actually?
Yeah.
We've been talking about this a lot, but like a lot of them were kind of young in a sense, like FBI.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, right?
At all. I just like dropping.
After the team, how's everyone feeling?
Yeah, I definitely hung out with the team, talked to them, tried to catch their feelings. I think everyone's feeling really confident, and I think all the teams here at this tournament are very good. So I'm really excited to watch the matches and see our boys compete.
I didn't see those on film.
You have to like own
Power, this airy.
Oh my word, first blood's in. I mean, you're not going to stop the Baron, but you might get a team fight. He's going to shoot. You're kidding me. Centauran fights early. Kill number one. Here comes kill number two. Danny's in for number three. For four, the king of Pentakill. Oh my God, you got to be kidding me.
Was not.
Would you believe it? Danny puts the team on his back and is going to carry him through to game one. 1-0 EG, 2 more to go. Girls have to happen. What's it going to be? Short one goes down. Excited Jinx. They're going to go for broke and they're going to do it again. EG 2-0. Stun lands.
As they're pushing in, they have the Ocean Soul to go full.
A bit more, a hook, a core JJ death, and evil geniuses will just slaughter everyone. Belongs to the young guns of EG. They will crush Team Liquid, and EG will head to their first ever LCS final.
A 3-0 against Team Liquid. Jojo, you declared this in a tweet already prior to the series. What gave you confidence in EG's ability to pull off this feat?
I think we're just better than them. I think we were playing well during the regular season, and then we kind of got like a reality check after lock-in that we weren't that good. And then I think we all tried really hard to keep improving. And coming into this game, I knew we would be better than them after how much we improved and how much we worked. So.
Could you unlock it? Do you really want that?
Houston! We have a bit of a problem! What it does do! We is RB back at it again! Realm Warp to save time, get right up to the turrets, and game one is already but to memory. It's 3 thieves versus a whole squad of geniuses, and it looks like it only goes one way. Abadaga can't do it! It is the fastest finals ever, and it never felt this good to be bad. Evil geniuses are your new LCS champions.
and standing behind the team. How did that motivate you and the rest of the squad to be able to perform in such a fashion?
We have one stick mic, so
You knew that we're gonna win because our teammates so good, like Danny, Jojo, and our talent. Also, I don't know if I cannot think of anything now because I cannot believe.
That was so much fun.
Now this is where the story gets interesting. Now for this part, I am going to have to do some voiceover because it would be way too long to explain in writing. But basically, right now, you see video of me on one of those little trolley trains that are inside the airport, and we're currently going over to the airport hotel because our flight got delayed 5 times until it eventually got canceled at 12:30 a.m. So remember earlier in the vlog when I said that the Houston airport was nice for now? Well, this is the point where it kind of sucks, because once we actually got over to the hotels, turns out that a ton of other people were having their flights canceled and all of the hotel spaces were full. So we couldn't actually get a hotel room in the airport. That means that we needed to find a flight that would get us home by the next day because I have exams and I need to be back for them. But this flight got canceled and there's no rescheduled version of it. So then we needed to go into this giant line. Once we were in the line, we were able to book a new flight, but we needed to go from Houston to Austin, which was about a 2.5-hour drive. So we drove all the way over there. We waited 4 hours in the morning to get a rental car. We did not sleep for about 36 hours, I'd have to say. And then once we got to the Austin airport, we waited about 4 hours, and then we flew out over to Denver. And from Denver, then we went back to New England. So it was a very weird return home. I don't have much footage from it because I was completely exhausted. But overall, it was a really, really fun trip. And I really am hoping to do more vlogs like this in the future. Let me know if you guys would want to see more in the future, because honestly, whether you do or you don't, I am going to be posting more of them. I'm just wondering whether I'll do it on a separate channel or if I'll keep it on the main one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. But I did promise my friends that I would shout out their quantum teleportation video, which is actually quite funny. So go ahead and check that out over in the top right corner of the screen right now. But for now, that is everything that I have for you guys. Thank you for watching the vlog. This was my first one ever, like I mentioned, so the editing's a little bit questionable, but I honestly thought that it wasn't too bad. So if you enjoyed it, make sure to leave a like, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next one.